Hello everyone, welcome to video lecture. In this module, we will discuss about different types of chemical reactions. There are different types of chemical reactions: combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, oxidation and reduction reaction. Now let's discuss them one by one. Combination reaction. As it is clear from the name, combination means two or more substances combine to form a new substance is known as combination reaction. Carbon reacts with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. Hydrogen reacts with oxygen to form water. Now decomposition reaction. D means break, means breakdown of composition. In it, a single compound breaks down to produce two or more similar substances, and decomposition reaction is carried out when the energy is supplied in the form of heat, light or electricity. Decomposition. You can see here the compound is decomposing. Photochemical decomposition. When the decomposition is carried out in the presence of sunlight, it is called photochemical decomposition. For example, silver bromide. When it is kept in the presence of sunlight, it breaks into silver and bromine. Thermal decomposition. Thermal word is related to heat. It means the energy is supplied in the form of heat. When a substance decomposes on heating, it is called thermal decomposition. For example, calcium carbonate. When it is heated, it breaks into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide is released. Now, heat is supplied when the energy is supplied in the form of electric current. This is known as electrolysis. For example, water. When the current is passed through water, it breaks into hydrogen and oxygen. Reactivity is a series of metals. It is a series in which the metals are arranged in the order of decreasing reactivity. You can see here in the reactivity series that potassium is at the top and gold is at the bottom. It means potassium is highly reactive and gold is least reactive, and this is you have to learn. Now, what is displacement reaction? Displacement means a compound is displacing another. In a displacement reaction, a more reactive metal displaces or removes the less reactive element from its salt solution. For example, when zinc is dipped in copper sulfate solution, then after some time, zinc sulfate is formed and copper is displaced. It means zinc is more reactive than copper. Zinc has displaced copper from copper sulfate solution. So, this is known as displacement reaction. For example, when zinc is dipped in silver nitrate solution, silver is displaced and zinc nitrate is formed. In the above reaction, zinc is more reactive than silver, so zinc displaces silver from its solution. Double displacement reaction. The reaction in which two different atoms or group of atoms are displaced by other atoms or group of atoms are called double displacement reaction. For example, barium chloride when reacts with sodium sulfate, barium sulfate is formed and sodium chloride is formed. It means barium chloride and sodium sulfate both have exchanged their ions. Neutralization reaction. Neutralization, it is also a type of double displacement reaction. In it, H ions and OH ions combine to form water molecule, and a salt is the product of an acid-base reaction. Here you can see hydrochloric acid reacts with sodium hydroxide, which is a base, to form NaCl and water. NaCl is salt and water, it is a liquid. Oxidation and reduction reaction. Oxidation means addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen. In oxidation, either the addition of oxygen takes place or hydrogen is removed. And during reduction, oxygen is removed or hydrogen is added. And redox reaction in which both oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously. They are known as oxidation-reduction reaction. For example, ferric oxide reacts with carbon monoxide to form iron and carbon dioxide. Here in this reaction you can see that carbon monoxide is getting oxidized. Oxygen is added with carbon monoxide to form carbon dioxide, and from ferric oxide the oxygen is getting removed and it's reduced to iron. It means here the oxidation and reduction both are taking simultaneously. Now, what is exothermic reaction? A chemical reaction that releases large amount of heat and light is known as exothermic reaction. During bursting of crackers, a large amount of heat, light and sound is released. It means that is exothermic reaction. Endothermic reaction in which a large amount of heat is absorbed. For example, during the process of photosynthesis, carbon dioxide reacts with water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll to form glucose, and oxygen is released. During the process of photosynthesis, the plants are absorbing sunlight. That is the endothermic process. Now, respiration, it is also an exothermic process because during exothermic process the heat is released. In the process of respiration, the complex substances are broken down into simpler substances and then converted into glucose. In the whole process, the energy is released. So, it is an exothermic reaction. Thank you and have a nice day.